Hi guys, you're here with me, Mod Mayhem, and today I'm going to show you how to use MadMax, the new updated NFT plotter. So, first of all, you have to go to the website in the description, it's GitHub, and you want to download MadMax. If you're not sure of what MadMax does, then open up the README, and what you'll find is all the information is listed here. Okay, now what I normally do is edit the plot with log. Let's bring that over here, and so as we can see, we have all this for us here already, and all I do is edit after here. Okay, so now I know this is going to look confusing to some of you, but if you put the two side by side, it's actually not as bad as you think. So what does n mean? Subtract n just means the number of plots to create. Subtract r is the number of threads to use, and that is dependent on the CPU you're using. Each CPU normally has a different amount of threads and cores. Now subtract u is the buckets for the plotter to use, and -w is a nice little command they added in this update, which is wait for copy. And if you use this command, it will then, when the plot finishes, it will copy it to your final folder, and then it will allow the plotter to hold off before starting again, and it will speed up both of the processes instead of causing instead of like lagging out the hard drive, so to speak, when it's transferring and trying to copy a plot. So moving on, -t, subtract t is the temporary directory, and it needs 220 gigabytes worth of space for it to be able to create the plot. Now subtract 2 is temporary 2, and what that is exactly what it says, is the temporary 2 folder. And what you can do here to speed things up is create a 110 gigabyte RAM disk and use that as your temporary folder, and it will speed your plotting times up significantly. So coming from there, we now go to subtract d, and that is the final directory where you want your plot to end up. Now this is where a lot of people are getting confused. Now -c is the pool contract address, and to get that, go to your Chia wallet, go to your pool tab, and then hover over this little question mark here, and you'll see auto-generated name from the pool contract address. And now if you click copy to clipboard, you have the first part of the information you need for MadMax. So let's go back and bring these both up. So -c, subtract c, is where I would put that address we had just copied from the pool. Now -f is your farmer public key. Now I can show you how to get this, but I'm not going to show you what's shown there because it's private to my wallet. What you need to do is click keys, and then click the little I next to the address, and it will show you the keys and the private keys and everything else. And what you need to do there is take your farmer key, and what that will be is something along the lines of this, a nice long number to make it identical. And then that's pretty much it, guys. You finish the file off, you save it, and literally we go back to the folder and we double click and we run. And congratulations, you are now using MadMax to create NFT plots. Thank you for watching. This has been UK Mayhem for Chia.